My name is Mini Sethi. Today I will discuss about how to prepare minutes for business meeting. What does mean by minutes of meeting? Minutes of meeting means written records of everything that happened during the meeting. Written records of everything that happened during the meeting. Okay. One most important thing, your minutes of meeting should be simple and you have to add only relevant information. You must be avoid or irrelevant information. It must be simple and you have to add only relevant information. You must avoid or irrelevant information. Okay. Firstly, you have to write about meeting details. Firstly, company name. What is your company name? Your organization name you have to mention here. For example, Care India Private Limited, whatever your company name you have to mention here. Then who called meeting? There are so many employees working in the organization. Sometime meeting is called by chief executive officer, sometime is called by human resources executive, sometime called by marketing manager, sometime called by production manager, sometime called by IT team. You know, who called the meeting? Okay, you have to write their name with their designation. Okay, you have to write his or her name with his or her designation. Most important thing, if a person belong to if person is IT manager, you have to mention their name with his or her designation. Okay, then time, meeting date, then location. Okay, after that you have to mention name of attendees. Attendees mean who have attended the meeting. Okay, you have to mention like that, name and designation. You can use table format, name and designation. Name, for example, Mr. Mohan from IT department, Mr. Ram marketing manager. Okay, Mr. Mohan HR executive. You have to write their name with their designation. Then name of absentees. Absentees means for some reason some person could not able to attend the meeting. You have to write their name with their designation. You can use table like format. Then agenda. Agenda is most important thing. Okay, agenda means main purpose of your meeting. Okay, why you called meeting, what have you discussed during the meeting. Okay, what was your main purpose of calling meeting. This is your agenda. There can be so many items in agenda. For each item agenda you must have 3 columns like that. For each item agenda you must have 3 columns. Notes. What are these 3 columns? In agenda there can be so many items. For example, for each item agenda item you must have 3 columns like notes, key decision, task listed. Okay, I will make you understand. Okay, for example, suppose our agenda one item is guideline for new recruitment. Okay, you have to discuss about guideline for new recruitment policy. This is your agenda one item name. Okay, for recruitment policy you have to discuss about. Okay, this is your agenda one item. Before making final decision on it, you have to discuss so many things. Okay, for example, person you hire should be matched exactly according to organization requirement. So many things you need to discuss. Now you have to make their notes. What you have discussed before making final decision. You make so many discussion. You have to make short note. You have to make short note about this. Okay, after that you have to write key decision. Okay, hired excellent person. Suppose this is your key decision. Okay, in this agenda one item, you have to discuss about recruitment policy. Before making key decision on it, you discuss so many things. You have to mention here. Notes, in notes you mention what you have discussed before making final decision. Okay, after making a final decision there are so many tasks to implement this final decision. You need to do so many tasks. You need to assign so many tasks to person. You have to write like that, task listed, assignment, deadline. Okay, task listed mean person name. Task listed mean person name. Suppose Mohan, you can write that. In task listed I will mention task listed, name, assignment or deadline. Okay, for example you will write like that, Mohan Mohan will do the work of finding resources, and Ram will do the work of advertisement. Okay, and Sham will do the work of conducting interviews. Okay, you can make task listed format like that in table form: name, assignment, and deadline. Deadline means when task must be accomplished. You have to mention date, in which date task must be accomplished. Okay, you can make this type of format in task listed. Okay, for each agenda item you must have three columns: notes, key decision, and task listed. For example, item 1, recruitment policy: notes. Before making final decision, lot of discussion occurred, you have to write them. Then key decision: what decision have you taken? Hard, excellent. For implementing this decision, you have to do so many tasks, you have to assign so many tasks, you can write about this. Okay, person name, task assigned, and deadline. Okay, after that you can make one columns about suggestion. There are so lot of people who make their suggestion. You have to write their name with their designation. Okay, who makes suggestion, name with their designation. Then in last you have to make summary of key decision. You have to write about summary of key decision, and you have to write about summary of key tasks. Okay, and lastly you have to write about time, date, and location of next meeting. Okay, this is simple for a format of minutes of meeting. It vary from company to company, it vary from organization to organization. You can add more things for. Okay, I think you understood. Thank you.